Welcome to a quick and dirty review of some key concepts of genetics. So what you see here is what's called a karyotype. You don't need to know that, but this is a picture of the chromosomes that make up a typical human cell. So you'll notice that chromosomes tend to exist in matching pairs. So we have the biggest pair in humans is pair number 1, the next biggest pair is pair number 2, pair number 3, pair number 4, etc. We line the chromosome pairs up in size from largest to smallest. And this is typical not only of humans, but basically of the whole animal kingdom, that the chromosomes are come in matching pairs. And we call these matching pairs of chromosomes homologous pairs. And what you need to know or remember that this chromosome is one huge long molecule of DNA all coiled up. All right, and since we like to focus on humans, and we will in our Hardy-Weinberg example, in every human body cell there are 23 matching pairs of chromosomes, again, what we call homologous pairs. All right, now I want to emphasize that there are several, not only several, but hundreds if not thousands of genes on each chromosome. So in every one of your body cell, if you are human, you have these 23 pairs of chromosomes, but on these chromosomes are these 30,000 gene pairs. So there might be thousands of genes on this chromosome and thousands of matching genes on this chromosome. So maybe these are the genes you got from mom and these are the genes that you got from dad. So let's review. In biology, homologs are matching chromosomes. And I have a little picture of them right here. Two matching chromosomes. Remember, this is a molecule of DNA all coiled up and this is a molecule of DNA all coiled up. And the reason your chromosomes come in matching pairs, you got one from your biological mom and one from your biological dad. Or, maybe this is the one you got from dad and vice versa. So what's gene? A gene is simply a segment of this chromosome that codes for a particular genetic trait. A segment like, a trait like brown eyes, or a trait like whether or not you get migraine headaches. Now, when you had your DNA review assignment, you sequenced a piece of a gene, right, that coded for the protein insulin, and then you found what chromosome it was located on. I believe it was chromosome number 11, and then you looked up different genes that were also on chromosome number 11. Now, since genes are little pieces of chromosomes, and chromosomes come in pairs, it should not shock you to learn that genes also come in pairs. And so these are matching chromosomes, homologs, so maybe they're homolog pair number 11. And maybe this is a gene for brown eyes here. Well, on this chromosome there would also be a gene for eye color. So matching chromosomes are called homologs, and matching genes are called alleles. All right, so maybe here you got an allele from dad for brown eyes, and maybe you got an allele here from mom for blue eyes. Maybe here you got an allele for dad to have curly hair. Maybe here you have an allele from mom to have straight hair. Okay, so alleles, they are basically can be alternate forms of a gene. They always code for the same trait, but they can code for it in different ways. So like I said before, these two alleles, these two genes here might code for eye color, but this might say give the kid brown eyes, and this one here might say give the kid blue eyes. And we'll do another little mini genetics review in the next video.